Hey guys, Ken here. Today we're going to be planting another 5 rows of sweet corn. Thanks to Adam Hosting with Winty Farms. He gave me some seed. I appreciate that, Adam. We planted 5 rows about probably 3 or 4 weeks ago. I hit it with fertilizer the other day. It's turning real green, looking good. Yeah, I'm hiding out the wind right here by the building. Seems like the wind's always bad when I'm trying to video. This is the seeds we're going to be planting today. This is what Adam Hosting sent me. It's an Obsession 2 is the name of the seed. I think the guy at the feed store told me it was $100 a pound, so it's very expensive. Sweet corn. They say you could eat it raw. It's so tender and sweet. We have 5 rows planted out there now. They're about 150 feet long. I'm gonna do another 5 right now. I'm gonna just go ahead and do it by hand. I'm gonna plant them every 4 or 5 inches. I'm gonna push it down with my fingers, probably 2.5 inches deep. We got a rain coming, and it's hot. So I think they're gonna germinate and they're gonna get out the ground pretty quick. So y'all come join me. We'll get this corn planted.
Down on the Black Bayou, well, we like our swamps and alligators, love our crawfish too. Got that filet gumbo running through our veins. It's our feet dancing when we hear that fiddle play. We love to hear that Cajun music down at the Fado Do, dancing with our sweethearts. Just letting the good times roll. We know it's God first and then our family and friends. It's kind of hard to explain. It's just a Louisiana thing.
Okay guys, today we're harvesting the 2021 sweet corn. This variety, it's called an Obsession 2. Adam Hosting is the one that provided the seeds for me. Thanks, Adam, I appreciate that. It's not a real big ear, but it's a super sweet corn. Look at the size of this corn too. It makes me feel tall. I usually plant the merit of the G90 and that stuff towers over my head. It's probably 10, 12 foot high. This Obsession 2, this variety, I mean, what is that? Not even 5 foot. Real pretty ear, Roundup ready. It's even bug resistant. There's not many bugs, real clean ear. So yeah, let's get busy harvesting. May start planting this. A lot of times when I do the mare to the G90, we get one strong wind and it lays down. It doesn't always ruin the crop. You have to stand it back up. A lot of extra work. So this one's ready today. I should have more over here in a couple weeks. I have these are about 4 weeks behind. This way I'm not harvesting all on the same day. I'll have another 5 rows to harvest probably in about 4 weeks. So everything's looking good. It's looking good, guys. I'd like to thank y'all for supporting the channel. I do have some merch. If y'all want to go to www.kfishfred.com, I'm selling hats, koozies, shirts. I'm also going to show you guys a quick and easy way to cook this sweet corn. Okay guys, I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to cook sweet corn. Wrap in paper towels. Wet it. Put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. Pour some melted butter, salt. Sweet corn picked 5 minutes ago. Let's try it out. So good, guys. Y'all give it a try. Cut out for me this morning. So far we have about 15 sacks. And there's a few more sacks in there. Just didn't get them all pretty easy on this. I'll take them inside and we'll wash them up real good. I did get some help from my wife, my sister, and my aunt. We're inside, we're washing the corn. We're vacuum sealing the corn. Like to put 3 or 4 in a pack. This will keep it nice and fresh till next year. This is raw corn. I've tried it the last 3 or 4 years. It's really good. Some people may parball it, but I find just putting it raw like that, it works well. I have my cousin's vacuum machine here, so I got 2 rolling. One's mine and one's his. He just keeps it over here, so it comes in handy. Come get a look at this, get it up close. You just set it in here. Put the bag right over this bar right here. Push it down. And let go, the suction starts. We have them both set probably for about 45 seconds. When it's ready, it just pops up. Now check this out. Do 1. It's going to pull all the air out the chamber. And it's going to suck all the air out the bag. lot of you have asked about the vacuum sealers. This is mine. I have the VP 215. My cousin has the VP 210. Not sure the difference. They both work well. All right, we're taking it off the cob, guys, for some offshoot. So I have one good container of corn we cut off the cob. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in these big pots. I have two big aluminum pots we're gonna use. We got 2 pots full. We're gonna go ahead and put it on the fire. Okay, we're gonna add some water. We're gonna go ahead and season the corn. We're gonna put, first we'll put the tomatoes. We're gonna put the onions and peppers. Gonna put some salt. Put some red pepper. Zoom up on that a little. Try not to get it in my eyes. It's a little windy. I just did. Okay, let me get on this one. Just gonna put a little bit of black pepper. Out here. All right. All right, so now we have all the ingredients in here. It's a matter of just smothering it down. We'll probably cook this an hour and a half, 2 hours. We may open it up, add some water. We'll put the covers on. Let it start cooking down. It's been about an hour and a half. It's ready. Everything's cooked down real good. Can't see the onions and the peppers hardly no more. Check out this one. I'm gonna bring it in the AC. I'm gonna let it cool down. And once we have it real cool, we'll go ahead and bag it up and vacuum seal it in packs. Y'all stay tuned. Sweet corn 2021. 29th, we're picking our second batch of sweet corn. Obsession 2. Pretty stuff. Okay, this is what we like to eat our corn mock choux with. Some good rice and gravy. My wife made this. I like to actually mix it up with the rice. Pretty flavor. I appreciate you guys watching. Till next time, God bless.
Espérer au bout de mon chemin, espérer ce qu'à ma